What's going on, guys? Joe Robinson here, and in this video we are demoing Lost Light from Doremi Fireworks. Lost Light from Doremi Fireworks. Picked this guy up at the Fireworks Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri. Got it for a really good price, $30. I don't know if it's still that price. This was last year. Performance is right on the side. Brocade crown with titanium gold coconut. Brocade crown with titanium gold coconut with crackling. So the finale is probably going to have that crackle in it. 25 shots straight up configuration. We'll take the top off just so we can check out under the hood. There you go. Nothing too crazy. I'm excited to shoot this one off. I haven't been disappointed with anything from Doremi so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. There's that crackle.